In this video, Kiki Review will review a smartphone from the OnePlus brand, called OnePlus 11. The OnePlus 11 5G is our most capable device yet. An upgraded Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset delivers improved gaming performance, energy efficiency, and image processing capabilities, with up to 16GB of RAM and 256GB memory storage capacity. This OnePlus 11 have 5000 mAh battery. Also Health Engine improves health and longevity, while still delivering ultra-fast charging speeds with 80W Super VOOC, 27 minutes charging time. The OnePlus 11 features a powerful triple camera the co-developed with Hasselblad, a primary 50-megapixels sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide sensor system with Hasselblad ambient photography, capable of producing pro-grade portraits and industry-leading color reproduction. With a stunning 6.7 inches display, the OnePlus 11 is an entertainment powerhouse, with a high-fidelity audio and visual experience. Your favorite alert slider, a new bold design, and blistering performance for prices and other variants of this OnePlus 11 smartphone. Kiki Review has provided a link in the description and you can choose other variants of this OnePlus 11 smartphone. Kiki Review say thank you for watching this OnePlus 11 smartphone video and see you soon.